bunch of clothes that I kind of haven't worn because I just haven't styled them. So this video is just going to be what the title says, just me styling clothes, how I put outfits together, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much all the intro this needs. Let's get into it. So the first item I 1000% bought because of Kylie Jenner. I'm not afraid to admit it. We stand over here. I'm trying to think, do I want to wear this with like jeans? Definitely not sweatpants. Maybe like a light pair of jeans and then accessorize it like a lot, you know what I mean? That's probably what I'll do with this bad boy. There's something on my nail. Sorry, I'm like so distracted by it. Oh, my nail's breaking. I'll probably wear this with like a lot of jewelry. Like the top zipper down a lot with like a lot of necklaces and like a pair of light ripped jeans. I love light ripped jeans. I'm trying to get out of the habit of wearing them with everything, but you know. So yeah, let's try that on and see what that looks like, because I don't want this to look basic. Like, this has to give us something, you know what I mean? Like, this can't be basic. I am living my best little life right now because all I like to do is play dress up. Like, my life is filled with just periods of me being like, when do I have the time to play dress up today? And I'm just living my best life right now. So this shirt, I couldn't get it to look right with my go-to, which is light ripped jeans. I couldn't get it to look right with leggings. I couldn't get it to look right with black jeans. Like, it just was not working with any pants. And then I saw these in my closet and I was like, okay, I might as well like give it a shot. So cute. Also, I feel like it looks awkward at different lengths zippered. So I really like where it's zippered right now. I think this is so cute, like with the zippers at this exact place, because I'm funny like that. Like, if you pull the zippers down a little bit or up a little bit, like, I feel like it just looks a little off, and I don't know, I'm funny like that. So these two together are so cute to me, and I didn't expect to like it this much. And then with this, I feel like I would have to just like layer some necklaces, probably more than this, because like, and I am a jewelry fanatic. Like, if you can't tell, I'm obsessed with jewelry. So I probably would have to wear more necklaces than this. Right now I just have 2 layered, but I think it is so cute. Okay, next top I want to style is from Forever 21. I bought this on my trip to New York in January, and I've taken pictures in it, but I have yet to like wear it with a fit, you know what I mean? Like, I have yet to go out in it and wear it in real life, just because like, this is another thing, just like this top, I don't want to style it and it's basic. I want to wear it with something like cute, you know? I need this to be like a cute little look. I would do this with maybe a skirt. I'm gonna disregard of weather just for the purposes of like this video and like style inspiration. I would do this with maybe like a skirt or like a cute pair of, I don't know, like some color on the bottom for sure, because I don't want this to be basic. So we're gonna try to style this with something cute and like flirty and kind of sexy, because this top is like very casually sexy. I love this shirt. This is one of my favorite shirts right now, but like I said, I haven't styled it and given it the moment that it deserves yet, and I've discovered why. This shirt looks the best with skirts and shorts. So this shirt might have to wait till spring/summer to really get the moment that it deserves, but that's okay, because I'm gonna give it to her. Come hell or high water, this shirt is gonna get the moment that it deserves. This looked the best with these shorts that I got from Shein last summer. Oh my God, first of all, love Shein. Mwah, you already know how I feel about Shein. But this is just so cute to me. Just everything just meshes well together, but it's still like eye-catching enough to where it's not like boring or like it doesn't feel basic. And then I have on the layered necklaces from the last outfit, because layered necklaces pretty much look good with most outfits. I'm not gonna say all outfits, because some shirts just deserve, you know, their own little moment. For shoes, I probably would wear like a pair of black or like black and white sneakers with this. Like, I'm a sneakers kind of gal, you know? Well, see, here's the thing. I love sandals because I love to have my toes out. I'm just that girl. Like, I would be barefoot if I could without getting an infection. But I just love sneakers. And so I'd probably wear these with like regular like low top Vans or like checker Vans, because I'm basic like that. Or like a pair of like white chunky dad sneakers. Like, those white chunky Balenciagas. Mwah, chef's kiss, it's beautiful. This is a bodysuit that I got from Pretty Little Thing maybe 3 or 4 months ago. Wow, I've had this for a minute and I just haven't worn it. And I don't know why, because I think it's so cute and so flattering. I don't know why I haven't worn this. And I feel like this is going to be fairly easy to style. Now, this is something I would want to keep, like I said, very casually sexy, very, you know, not too overdressed, but still very, very cute. This pairing really has me shook because I really haven't known what like bottoms to wear with this bodysuit, and I really didn't know what top to wear with these bottoms. And so like the two of them just came together and had a beautiful baby, and it's me. I'm a beautiful baby. I am obsessed. I literally am going to wear this the second I have somewhere to go. This is mad cute, like obsessed. I don't wear these pants. I don't wear these pants as often as I should. And by that, I mean, I have not worn them in 2 years. It's not a joke, but I won't throw them away because I know they deserve a moment. You know, I knew that I was gonna circle back around to them at some point. And I think I've just justified keeping these pants, not because I'm a hoarder, but because I knew I was gonna buy a top that went well with them. These pants are so flattering on me. I don't know what information to tell you if you're interested in these pants. I found them at a Marshall's 2 years ago, and I've been obsessed ever since. I'm so sorry that I can't give you any more information. Now this is just a t-shirt, and the importance of being able to style just a t-shirt, I like don't even know how to put it into words. Like, some of the best outfits are the best outfits because they're like just so chill and like it's just a t-shirt. Like, if I can't style a t-shirt, I can't do nothing. So this I want to keep really chill, but I need it to be like a moment. You know what I mean? I need it to be a moment. So we're gonna see how we can dress this up. Really, that's what I would be doing with the t-shirt, is kind of dressing it up. There's this girl on Instagram. Her name is Erin Creer, and I love her outfits. But some of her best outfits are her best outfits, and I love to look to her for inspiration, because some of her best outfits are like just like chill, just like on some chill stuff. That's like when she wears the best outfits. It's very cute. The reason I was most excited to style this outfit easily is the shoes. When I started going to put stuff together, I realized that I had the perfect pair of shoes to match this shirt. Like, what? Little hearts on them. These are super rare. You will not find them anywhere. Yeah, I was just like, this is perfect. Like, how could I not seize this opportunity? And then I just paired it with a regular pair of tan sweatpants that need a lint roller, but like, that's not what this video is about. We're not talking about how to get lint off your clothes. We're talking about how to put the outfit together, right? Okay. My favorite sweatpants plug ever is Pretty Little Thing. So yeah. And instead of doing like a black sweatpant or a gray sweatpant, I knew I wanted to do tan just because it's a little more trendy, you know, like this is like very current and it looks less lazy because it's not like a plain black or gray pair of sweatpants. So yeah. And then lastly, this is one of those cardigans that you can just like button 1 or 2 buttons and then leave the rest open. These are so trendy right now, and I love them. The challenge here is just to make it super on trend, super cute, super, you know, flashy, casually sexy, all that, because this is so on trend right now. So this is the first outfit that I'm pairing with black leggings, and realistically, I wear black leggings more than I wear any other bottom, but I'm trying to be less basic. However, this looked the best with black leggings or like light ripped jeans, and I was like, okay, we're trying to get away from the ripped jeans, right? So let's do black leggings. Not only does the black leggings look good with this, but I think like the black kind of complements it. So if not black leggings, I would probably have put black jeans on with this, but you know, your girl wants to be comfortable. Now, hear me out. Tell me that this is not a completely different outfit without little sunglasses. Like, this is cute, you know, but wow, these take it to the next level. Tell me I'm lying. I dare you. Tell me I'm lying. The top is from Pretty Little Thing. These are just regular black leggings from Forever 21. But yeah, I have a little necklace on. This necklace that I keep putting on is from Shein. It's one of my favorite necklaces, and it was like literally $2. Shein's accessories, for somebody with a jewelry addiction, wow, their accessories are dangerous for me and my credit card. So if you see this exact outfit replicated on Instagram, mind your business. And mind your business about my broken nail too. It broke while I was filming this. Thank you guys so much for watching and styling with me and helping me find an excuse to play dress up. If you didn't already, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this one and not like this one because I'm versatile. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I want to hit 100K by the end of this year. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.